Today, I will be talking about the key code feature. Specifically, I will be working with business-to-business type sales and how using key codes facilitates that. Prior to this video, I set up a few online courses to allow key codes to be purchased. I also set up the agent store, which is the storefront a purchasing agent would use. In other words, the point of contact at a company I am selling to. Specifically for this demonstration, a purchasing agent would be one of our clients like a Pet Boys and AutoZone who is purchasing training courses to distribute to their employees. First, I'm going to show what it's going to look like from our client side. In this case, our client is not the person taking the training, but instead our client is the purchasing agent. Ahead of time, I set up this person as a manager admin in the system. If you are not familiar with setting up a user as a manager, there is a video on how to do that. In this context, this kind of manager is referred to as a manager agent since they will have the ability to make purchases. I will sign in as this manager agent so you can see how this looks. Once I'm signed in, you can see the Agent Store tab here. Let me click on it to show you the Agent Store. Generally, it's similar to the shopping cart for individuals. I have my welcome message here that I created. A quick note about this and the Agent Store in general. While I am not showing you here, you can set up the configuration for the Agent Store, including the welcome screen, by going to the e-commerce tab, then the shopping cart tile, and then the Agent Store settings tile. Over here on the left, you can see some navigation options. Let me talk about the categories first. These are the categories you have set up for your products. Each course you create can be assigned to a category. So let me go into the production parts category. Here are some courses I set up for bulk purchase by purchasing agents. The purchasing agent can choose the quantity they would like to purchase using the drop-down boxes next to each item. So what I'm going to do is purchase 10 seats for this course. This course starts at $150 per seat. But since I am purchasing 10, you can see the cost per seat drops to $125. This is something that can be set up for each course. I can set the price per seat for certain quantities. In addition, if you have set them up, purchasing agents can also put in a discount or coupon code. I'll just finish through the checkout process. Once I'm done with the purchase, I can click this Home button, which takes me back to the Agent Storefront homepage. Again, I am operating as the manager agent. I now want to access the seat licenses I just purchased. The first place I can find them is in the My Keycodes area. This option here will show me all of the key codes that are available to me. And this option will show me the key codes that have been redeemed by my user. If we go to View Available Key Codes, it shows me all the courses I have purchased key codes for, along with the quantity of unused seats as compared to the quantity I purchased overall. I'll click on the button to view my exhaust system seats. Here you can see information on the seats I just purchased. There are many ways I, as the purchasing agent, can get these key codes to my users. I can distribute the key codes to my users and let them manually enter them in. Or I can do it as the purchasing agent and assign the codes to the users I'd like. I will start off by copying this key code, which I want to assign to a specific user. I'll go back into the manager agent interface and then go to the user I'd like to assign this key code to. I just need to click on the Issued Key Codes tile. When I click the Redeem button and then paste in the key code I copied earlier, the user will be enrolled into the course. You can see it listed here, along with the date the key code was applied. The other way I might do this is to email a key code to a user, essentially offloading the task of redeeming the key code to each user and bypassing the need to copy and paste key codes. To do this, I can just click this button here. First, I need to select the course I'd like to send a key code for. The list of courses shown will be those for which I have purchased key codes. A list of key codes will be shown, along with an email link next to each key code that is still available to be used. All I need to do is click the email link next to an available code, and the key code information will be emailed to the user. In order to enable a user to enter in a key code, I have to add in the key code widget to the Learning Portal. Since a purchasing agent does not have the ability to modify the Learning Portal pages, I'll need to sign into the system as the main administrator. Once I'm signed in, I can set this up. To do this, I'll head into the System tab, Site Design, Learning Portal, then Page Editor. I need to edit the page I'd like to put the widget on. I'll click the Add Widget button, then expand the section labeled Other, and then add in the Redeem Keycode widget. After saving, I will go in as the user so you can see what this looks like. And here's the area where they can add in a key code. So that ends the demonstration. Thanks for watching.